How do you download your tax return from TurboTax? So first you gotta go to TurboTax website and sign into your account. And then go to the tax homepage right here and scroll down and expand the tax returns and docs. And from here you should see all your filed taxes. So you can click on view all tax returns button if it is available. Otherwise you can directly select the tax return for the specified year, and there should be a download or print PDF file option, which you can click on and either download the PDF or print it directly. And in older version, the button might be called download full return. And if you want to save it as PDF, you'll simply go through this print process and just choose save as PDF here and then click on save. And if for some reason you still can't see your tax returns and documents here, make sure you're signed into the correct TurboTax account that you've used before. You can also check the documents section from the left side here and select a specific year to view your documents. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.